In front of me is Lenovo tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit Notifications. Now select App Notifications here, hit Most Recent, and click on the best sorting option for you. I will go with Most Frequent. Now by tapping on blue switches next to your apps, you can block all notifications from them. You can tap on the same now gray switcher to switch them back on. If you want to, you can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!